Standard 4th. Subject Computer. Greeting to all my students. Topic and Introduction to Windows. Computer needs instructions to perform any operation. Instructions are called programs. Students, we have seen in first chapter, computer needs instruction. We are user giving instruction to computer by using keyboard and mouse. A collection of programs is called software. Students, we are using Android mobile. Yes, what is Android? Android is a mobile operating system based on modified version. It is open source software. Students, without Android or without software, we cannot run the program. So we need a software to run the application. Windows is user-friendly operating system which allows the user to install programs and software on computer system. Students, as we know, graphical user interfaces means GUIs, also considered as user-friendly. Online help system are another features of user-friendly program. A user is a person who utilizes a computer or network service. User of computer system and software product generally lack the technical expertise required to fully understand how they work. Windows software can perform any tasks related to the system and the user. Windows is a type of software which can be categorized as both the application software and system software. Windows is the most popular operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. Students, Microsoft is a multinational computer technology corporation and it is developed in 4th April 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Even we are using Microsoft Windows operating system, Microsoft Office in mobile as well as computer. There are many versions of Windows. Windows 95, 98, 2000, XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. Switching on the computer. Students, we have learned in the first topic, every electronic machine needs electric power. So first step is that switch on the main power button. Second, press the power button on the CPU. Third, press the power button on the monitor. Students, we have to follow these steps when we are using computer to switch on. The computer prepares to start up and load the operating system. This process is called booting. You can see in the picture, when our computer is switched on, it can be started by hardware such as the button press or by software command. A computer's central processing unit has no software in its main memory. There is some process which must load software into main memory before it can be executed. After the computer is turned on, a specific programs need to load in the computer's main memory, which is operating system. In the booting process, system will check all the hardware and software. Those are installed or attached with system and all the files those are required for running a system also loads into memory. Students, you can see in the picture at the time of booting all the instruction will be read required to start system. Once the computer has loaded the software, you see the first screen called desktop. Software. Students, what is meant by software? Software is instruction that tell a computer what to do. Software comprises the entire set of program, procedure and routines associated with the operations of a computer system. The term was coined to the different this instruction from hardware, that is physical component of computer, a set of instruction that directs a computer's hardware to perform a task is called program or software program. Students, there are main two types of software. First one, system software and application software. System software controls a computer's internal functioning and operating system. Application software contrasts directly the computer to execute commands given by the user and may includes any program that process the data for a user. Application software include word processor, spreadsheet, database management and many other applications and programs. System software. System software is software designed to provide a platform for other software. Example of system software includes operating system like macOS, Linux, Android and Microsoft Windows. Computational science software, game engines and industrial automation and software as a service application. Application software is a program or a group of program designed meant for user. Example of an application include a word processor, a web browser, an email client, a media player, a file viewer, a console game or a photo editor. An operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling devices such as disks, drives, and printer. How operating system works? Students, you can see in the chart, operating system manage all the software and hardware on the computer. Most of the time, these are several different computer programs running at the same time and they all needs to access computers central processing unit, memory and storage. Windows Desktop gives access to all the programs available on the computer either through the icons or the start button. Students, you can see the left hand side of the taskbar has a start button. Icons are the small pictures you can see on the desktop. Each icon helps you to quickly open and access a file, a folder or program, just as you like to follow a shortcut route to your friend's house to reach quickly. The icons is also a shortcut to file, folder or program. Access a file or program by double-clicking its icon. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop, it's called the taskbar. Student, you can see in the picture the taskbar on a computer screen is the narrow strip of icons, usually located at the bottom of the screen, that show you which windows are currently open, and that allows you to control functions such as the start button and the clock. Taskbar displays the names of the files, folders or programs which we are working on as buttons. Students, we know computer is a multitasking, means we can use as a multiple windows screen at a time. To switch off the computer. Students, we have seen how to switch on or turn on the computer. Now we will see switch off or turn off the computer. Following step we have to follow. First, click the start button. Second, click the shutdown option. Third, you will see this message. This message means you will get the one dialog box to stand by, to turn off or to restart. You have to select. Fourth one, select shutdown or turn off. Fifth, the computer automatically shut down. Summary. What you have learned in this topic? A collection of programs is called software. Windows is a type of software which can be categorized as both the application software and system software. System software is a software designed to provide a platform for the other software. Application software is a program or group of programs designed meant for user. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop, it is called taskbar. Icons are the small picture you can see on the desktop. Choose the correct answer for fill in the blanks. A collection of programs is called software. Second, the system software comprises of those programs that are extremely necessary for the working of the dash of the computer. The application software comprises of the programs meant for dash. Answer, user. Windows is the most popular dash. Answer, operating system. Fifth, once the computer has loaded the software, you see the first screen called the dash desktop. Answer is desktop. Question number 2. B. True or false? First, the desktop gives you access to all the programs available on your computer. Answer is true. Second, icons are the small picture you can see on the CPU. Answer, false. Third, the horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop called the taskbar. Answer, true. The right hand side of the taskbar has start button. You can change the computer setting, search for files and also seek help from this start menu. Answer, false. Because start button located in the right hand side of the taskbar. Thank you students. I hope you have understood what is software, what are the types of software, and how to switch on and switch off the computer.